Up till now, we were studying about normal classes, but now today we are going to start with the interface. Now, one program on interface may come in place of a normal single inheritance program. Now, using interface, we can create a drive class taking features from more than one base classes. So now let us see what is interface. An interface is a reference type in Java, and it is like a class, but it is a collection of abstract methods. Now, what do we mean by abstract method? These are functions without function body. Means definition is not written there, only the declaration is done. The definition of the function is given in the drive class. Later on, in the drive class, you'll find the definition of these functions. But in an interface, there will be only declaration of functions. Those functions are known as abstract methods. Okay, now interface can be implemented and thus it supports multiple inheritance. It supports multiple inheritance. That is, a class can be derived from more than one interfaces. Now remember that you cannot derive a class from more than one classes. That means if you have 2-3 base classes and you want to derive one class from all these base classes, it is not possible in Java. For that, interface has been taken. So interface is just like a class, but the difference is in a class you will find functions with their function body. That means declaration of the function and the definition of the function is there. But in an interface, you will only find function declarations. Definition will be given in the drive class. So that is why we say that writing an interface is similar to writing a class, but a class describes the attributes and behavior of an object. On the other hand, an interface represents the behavior that a class implements. So it is just representing the behavior. And all the methods of the interface need to be defined in the derived class. Now let us see the difference between a class and an interface. क्या difference है दोनों में? Theory question may come of 2 marks, so at least you should remember 2 differences. कम से कम 2 differences आपको याद रहने चाहिए. An interface does not contains any constructor. In the interface, you will not find any constructor. Number 2, you cannot create an object. Now, when there is no constructor, you cannot create an object. You cannot create an object for an interface as it is itself a reference data type and does not contains a constructor. So 2 points very important. Interface will not contain a constructor and you cannot create an object. All the methods of an interface are by default abstract. That means without function body. An interface is not extended, but it is implemented by the class. So there are 2 different keywords. When you are deriving a class, there are 2 different keywords. One is extends and one is implements. Extends is used to derive a base class and implements is used to derive a interface. An interface can support multiple inheritance, means a class can be derived by implementing more than one interfaces. The access specifier used with classes can be private, protected and public. जो normal base class आप बनाते हैं, उसमें जितने भी functions या access specifiers हैं functions के, वो private भी हो सकते हैं, protected भी हो सकते हैं और public भी हो सकते हैं. But in interface, only public specifiers is used. केवल public specifier use करेंगे interface. Keyword class is used to declare a class and keyword interface is used to declare an interface. and the definition of the abstract method is given in the derived class. So all these things you need to know for interface. Then there is a small diagram. Interface interface supports multiple inheritance, has many base classes, that is interface, and one derived class. So you can see here we have a base class, that is interface A, base class interface B, and we have a derived class. And this is the statement which you have to write in order to implement the interfaces. If A and B are interfaces, then C is my derived class. The statement will be class C implements A comma B. Implements is the keyword to derive the interfaces. Now let us see a